it's Sabrina and I got Kimmy over here.
Hi.
She'll be demonstrating to you guys how to install body armor in any of our Harley-Davidson jackets. Specifically here we have a mesh jacket. And I just want to preface it with our body armor looks like this. It's very easy, it's not complicated at all. The nice thing is that our body armor is not specific to shoulders or elbows, meaning you can put this piece of armor in your shoulder or your elbow, left or right. It's not confusing at all. So first step, you'll want to turn the jacket inside out. This is so that you have access to the body armor pockets that are right there in the shoulder and the elbow. Once you got that going, you'll want to take the body armor. You want the smooth side right here, so you can see smooth, and then it's kind of rougher on this side. You want the smooth side facing your body. So then you want to put the smaller side down into the pocket first. Kimmy's going to go ahead and demonstrate that. And then you'll be able to flip the top side of the pocket right over the top side of the body armor. And then you'll want to do the exact same thing to the shoulder and the elbow. And then you would mimic the same thing on the other side. And once you're done, you'll want to turn the jacket back inside out. And something that we like to do is we kind of put our arm in there to form the body armor to your shoulder and your elbow so that it's not stiff the first time you go and ride with it. There, it's that simple, but we're always happy to install it for you, but now you know. Sorry, go. I can't hear myself think.